Hello, this is Tamara Evans, Digital Services Librarian at the Kings County Library. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a wonderful resource for high school students called Britannica School High. To begin, you want to go to the Kings County Library website, which is located at kingscountylibrary.org. Next, you're going to navigate over to the brown research button and then click on it. Once you've arrived at our database webpage, then you're going to scroll down the page until you see the database table, and then click the blue button labeled See All Databases. Once you arrive at our databases webpage, you'll notice that all library databases are listed in alphabetical order. Having said this, we're going to scroll down the page until we see Britannica School, and then click the words "Click here to access." We've now arrived at the Britannica School homepage. What you'll notice here is that there's 3 levels of interface through Britannica School: elementary, middle, and high school. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on high, which is for high school students. We've now arrived at the Britannica School High homepage. As you can see, it's a very nice interface, and now I'm going to go in depth about some of the resources that are provided through Britannica School High. If you have a specific topic that you want to look for, you can locate it by clicking the yellow search button shown here. So, for example, if we wanted to look for the Eiffel Tower, we could start typing in the word there. Or we could go back and spell it. So as you can see, as I'm typing the letters, it starts bringing up the results. So I want to look for the Eiffel Tower, so then I can click right here, and it's going to bring up an article on the Eiffel Tower. So when I scroll down the page here, as you can see here on the left, there's 3 different levels for each article within Britannica School. There's level 1, level 2, and level 3. Level 1 is elementary school level, level 2 is for middle school, and then level 3 is for high school students. So therefore, as we have it set, it's set for level 3. However, if you wanted to change the reading level, you can click number 2 or 3 to change the level. Also notice that there's 3 tabs here. There's the Article tab, Images and Videos tab, and then a Related tab. As we scroll down the article, you'll notice that there are some words shown in blue. Be aware that any words that you see in blue means it connects to another article. So for example, if I clicked where it says French Revolution, it will take me to a Britannica School High article on the French Revolution, like so. And then if I decide I want to return back to the previous article, I can click the back button to get to that. Other things to note when looking at articles through Britannica School High is the icons here. So you have options to send an article to yourself through email. You can click the star to favorite the article and save it to read later. You can print out the article. You can click this button here to cite the article if you're writing a paper. You can translate the article into another language. You can listen to the article being read. You can make the font size be bigger, or you can make the font size be smaller. If I decide I want to go back to the main home page for Britannica School High, it's as easy as clicking on the title of the resource itself and then reselecting the high school level. So other sections to note within the Britannica School High resource is Science and Pictures. So as you can see here, it shows Science and Pictures, and then if you wanted to know more information, you can click here or here. Then as we scroll down farther, there's the Explore Topics section. You can explore articles, images and videos, or biographies. My Britannica is useful if you have several articles that you favorited and you want to read later, or if you have articles that you need for a paper. You can sign in and create an account for that. Then it has information specifically pertaining to historical events or people in history on the specific day. So for example, on this day, in 1702, Anne became the last Stuart monarch of Great Britain. And if you want to read more about that article, you can click here where it says read more. As we scroll down farther, there's another topic on flash facts. In their words, which presents quotes from famous people. There's an option to compare countries, as well as a world atlas and a tour of the United States. Recommended primary sources. Revised and new and revised articles from Britannica School, which are constantly revised on a regular basis, as well as news of the day from the New York Times. Other items to note when using this resource is if you're a student and you need help learning how to write papers or are unsure as to where to start when using Britannica School High, you can click the area here labeled Students, and it will help you with various topics. So as you can see, there's a pre-research planner, get started, shows you different steps in reference to how to write a research paper, as well as wrapping up. Then you can learn more about how to write a book review, presentation, research paper, or a science paper. If you're a teacher wanting to know how to use Britannica School High for your high school students, you can click the Educators section right here, which presents areas for content that you may want to save in reference to teaching your class, as well as lesson plans to assist you in the classroom. If you need help, you can click the Help button right here, and this will provide you with assistance. And then lastly, as I said before, if you have content that you've saved while using Britannica School High, you want to make sure that you create a free My Britannica account, which will give you access to those articles to use at a later point. This concludes the Britannica School High tutorial. Please make sure to follow the Kings County Library Facebook page, as well as subscribe to the Kings County Library YouTube channel for more tutorials similar to this one. Thank you and have a good day.